What started as a confrontation between Iran and Israel is now spreading like a wildfire across the region. The whole situation has reached a point where entire Gulf countries are activating their air defense systems. Their fighter jets are scrambling into the sky, and multiple nations are preparing for the possibility that this whole conflict could spiral into a much larger war. Welcome to TimesXP's war coverage, and late at night, the skies over Tehran lit up with powerful explosions. Residents reported hearing a series of thunder-like blasts shaking buildings across several districts of the Iranian capital. According to the regional military sources, Israeli forces carried out a large wave of precision airstrikes targeting what they believe are the key military installation, missile storage facility, and command center connected to Iran's defense network. Fighter jets, long-range missile, electronic warfare system, they were reportedly used in this coordinated assault. But the story does not end there. At the very same time, the US launched its own operation at sea, reportedly targeting an Iranian vessel believed to be operating as a drone carrier. Well, military analysts say that these kind of ships, they are deployed not just for any random surveillance. Well, they are used for drone attacks, allowing Iran to monitor naval movements and potentially strike the ships in strategic waters like the Persian Gulf and the Arabian Sea. Now, by hitting this asset, Washington appears to be trying to weaken Iran's ability to coordinate drone operations across the region. However, Iran did not stay silent here. Soon after the strikes, warning sirens began echoing across parts of the Gulf. Several countries in the region, including those hosting American bases, activated their air defense systems as missiles and drones were detected approaching the regional airspace. In fact, interceptors were launched, radar networks switched to combat mode, and military bases moved into high alert. Ladies and gentlemen, this moment is extremely significant because it shows that the war is no longer confined to Israel and Iran. Gulf states that were previously trying to stay away from the conflict are now directly feeling its shockwave. With American military bases located in several Gulf nations, any attack targeting those facilities, it risks pulling more and more countries into this confrontation.